Hi Walton, hi Alan. Here's the sort of video explanation of this finished design. This is the wider of the two products that we're making. You can see how I've added inside here. These are M3 by 5mm screws. You can see a 3mm diameter there. Now these are for mounting PCBs onto, Walton. So these need to be actually proper threaded bolts that are welded onto the inside of the face here, and that goes for every bolt that is on the inside of this face here. Now there's those ones, and then down here on the side, these ones in here are actually M4 by 10mm, and I've put this M4 nylock nut to go on the inside there. Now obviously our technicians will assemble this as themselves when we receive the parts. So that's for the bottom two brackets here. Now these here, please ignore them. These are just there for my reference. So just assume that these aren't here in case you get them. Okay, so you can just ignore those. Those are just so I make sure the dimensions are correct. Then looking at the top here, this bracket here, this is actually meant to be spot welded. Now I've specified this on the GA drawing. On here I've just specified spot weld on the sides and on the top. You obviously spot weld it as many times as you think is necessary. Then apart from that, there's been relatively minor changes since the last time. Nothing really has had much of a change. On this bracket here, all the holes here need to be tapped, so they have a screw thread on the inside of the relevant diameter, so that's already on there. I've added some cable tie holes down the bottom here, and these are now just screw holes for M3 screws to go through. M4, sorry, but then M3 screw will go through there, but we'll supply those ourselves. This part here again is also just here for our reference, as is the part that is in here as well. So yeah, please don't worry about making those. They're just there for my reference. Now the one change that we have added is on here. This is a polyurethane foam which I'd like you to cut and then glue onto this face after powder coating, and that's going to run all the way down. Now this is acting like a pad, so when it rests against the vending machine, it actually helps to push the door of the vending machine closed, and it prevents scratching and damage to the actual main vending machine door. So I need you to add that on with a strong adhesive. Underneath this eye bolt we'll also supply ourselves, but obviously we need you to drill the hole in the bottom there as well. All edges here to be welded together to make them strong, and yeah, that's the whole assembly for the wider unit. Yeah, these dimensions are critical, Walton, so you need to make sure that your engineers do actually tool up this product to be manufactured to a really, really tight tolerance, because all these dimensions are very, very crucial. Okay, so that's it for the first one. Thanks.